You can throw up. You can throw up.
Oh, welcome. So this is some mukbang. So we've done woods mukbangs before, but it's a new level. So for this mukbang, we got 2 rotisserie chickens cooked a couple hours ago, and then tinfoil. Hot wedges. Okay, where's the sound? Where's the sound? This is the first thing we eat. We got potato wedges. Oh, they're still warm. I got mine. We got boxed potato wedges.
2
We got
caramel
2
apple pies.
caramel apple pies,
It's upside down.
and we have a gallon of apple cider. Now, we got to go through all of this. We're not leaving till we go through all of this. I'm gonna start off. I think we should start off with the
Prayer.
apple. We should pray before this.
I'm not religious.
I'm religious.
Okay, you can pray.
Lord
Franklin,
Jesus,
I got it, okay.
please.
come on, no,
No,
come
ready,
over
ready?
here.
Oh, you want to do it,
Okay.
Franklin?
Come over here.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
fuck
you,
you.
Jesus, for this meal. Please help these 2 idiots through the
No,
stupid
I'm gonna
decisions.
kill you.
Shut up, Jack. Shut.
For the Lord, amen.
Okay. Start off with the apple pie.
Really?
I'm starting off with the apple
That
pie.
is,
dude.
that is a bold move.
One
Alright,
apple
hold
pie.
on, hold on, hold on.
Cracking open the apple cider. If you couldn't tell, it's the day after Halloween. We're a little bit festive. On Halloween we dressed up, but it's the day after. We didn't do the mukbang on Halloween, so we should have. But this is just a November 1st mukbang. Isn't it weird? They make fucking eggs in there.
I don't know if it was a girl or a boy.
A girl? Wait, you guys can't see. Is that a girl or a boy hole? Can't tell. Pretty big. It's going in.
I don't think you can legally ask that question.
No, it's a chicken. How did you do that? No. Oh!
Should we wear gloves or something? What? Should we wear gloves or something?
No problem.
Huh?
We should have worn gloves. Dad. Oh, yeah. Come here. Yeah, want to say hi?
Okay, oh, it's not.
It's pretty good.
Missing out.
Missing out.
Where's that ketchup?
Are you kidding me, Franklin?
Fuck no.
No, no. We'll see progress. We will. We will. We're going to finish it.
We're going to punch on your
Call your butt. We do not have all that space right anyway. I'm throwing mad disc right now. Are you kidding me?
back opportunity.
Well, I'm not eating the legal meat. Do it. Legal. I can't do it. I know, Franklin. We'll make the rest of the worst part. We're using one of the worst parts.
We don't need tender.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, we're grabbing the bread. I like bone like that. Fine. Poor guy.
You guys, we don't need.
Are you legal meat?
No, no.
So go ahead. Go home and get trash.
The whistle.
Wait, not right here.
Oh,
Not that. That's what I mean.
this?
Yeah, we want
Back with the whistle. Oh, no.
I don't know that. I don't know that. We're fucking horrible. 25 minutes.
Seems second number is easier. What's on?
No,
That was on.
I'm sure my Dutch is shit.
Make it now.
You suck. You suck, Franklin.
Get it? Who's your boyfriend?
Who's your boyfriend?
Well, he fucking sucks.
Your best friend. Your shit. What? Franklin, by that logic, does that never 45 go with a 16-year-old? Franklin!
I mean, not legally.
You can't defend that, Franklin. Don't say it to me. Can you actually? Dude, we're diabolical right now. Yeah, I do it.
No, we're fine.
He's bad.
I'm showing down. I'm getting ready to make an appearance.
Yeah, you're right. No way.
I put my hand on his shoulder earlier.
Can you bring it up?
On the way to my advisor. He's like, don't fucking touch me.
Everybody does no rider. Mike, like,
I just skimmed a lot.
yeah, skims. He's not acting.
He's special.
You gotta do it again. Yeah, that works.
Okay, man.
Do it again. Is that my thing to do?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. I don't think you're doing much.
You're done? You're done already.
Take the rest right there. I'm not already. Just take it.
You're sorry.
Double dry. The rest of everything else is good.
Break the soul. Then you get into the
Oh, goodness. The belly is so substantial. Sorry. Stand up. Every 2 to 20. What? Ribs? No, we have ribs.
Ribs? No.
No, we're not doing rack ribs.
Okay, I don't like ribs.
I actually thought the ribs. We weren't doing ribs. This was far going though.
What about the one for Christmas?
What were we doing for
Steaks. No, we do steaks.
That's not bad. I eat steaks. We're each one steak on steaks.
I'm hot.
Oh. Hammer steaks.
85, Wagyu.
Oh, like that.
Break it up.
I don't know if you do
Oh, yeah.
that. That would be good. Not bad. This video getting sent up. Oh boy. I'm over jagging goals. You can tell you. Oh, wait. What? Let's just do that. Whatever. Maybe chicken did not like this. Check it out.
You look miserable? You feel it. That's disgusting. I will stop that.
No! Not the bone.
By the bone. Oh, no. That's Monday's problem.
It's Monday problem. Hey, John, should you okay?
No, we're busy.
You really make Jacko first for the CNC. Jacko. You might as well fry it. That's your chicken hole. No, your chicken's fried. It's just brutal.
There's something different.
Is that right inside the...
No, it's
What was that wing?
a lot of money.
Do the outside.
We doing Caleb?
Yeah, put back frame. Oh, I see what you're trying to outside.
If I work.
Okay, go in.
Go away! Go away! Go away!
Yeah. Now you're
Get out of here! Go away!
I
Come say hi.
I dropped.
Come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi.
That's Jack's girlfriend. I just didn't
No.
know. You too fat. Okay.
How'd you feel? Huh? Oh, no.
Do regular stuff. You make comments about the chicken hole.
No progress check?
The whole chicken.
This is not a whole chicken. They
Pull
pull
out
out
the hole. How do you get the extra from?
They take him out. Where they take him?
Go that hole. Pull it. I know, yeah. Where's the penis? Where's the penis? Take the penis. Do it on it, David. Watch it. Go watch it. Okay. Do we have bone all over?
I don't.
Get like cartilage and fat and bone all over.
They're sitting on my hand.
Put it
Go
down.
say hi to the camera. Go say hi to the camera. I'll touch you.
Oh, that's
I give you consent for you.
12:06, 24.
Go say hi. Wait. Hey. That's not loud enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Oh, yeah. Shut up.
Yeah. We don't get dual belts.
For what?
I don't know where. Jack, put dual belts on.
Okay. I'll do that.
We do it dual belts front and back. Oh, wait. Now we're on the front.
I'm too fat. Hold on.
This is to prove we're in woods.
Oh, dude, I'm seeing you tonight.
You going to the Trump rally tonight, Caleb?
Get off me, bro.
My mom
Rylan.
told me if I went, I'd
Shut
get
up.
shot.
Yeah.
Wait, can you next make me a mukbang at Trump rally?
What?
Mukbang at Trump rally?
Mukbang at Trump rally.
I hate you and all your ideas.
Beef that.
Bro.
Beef that. No, literally down the hall.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Beef that. Holy.
Is one gone already? Oh, there they are.
Dude, we're
What was this?
We're-
Ice pack? Oh,
Are you
that
guys
is a
struggling?
hot bag.
Are you guys struggling?
I'm not.
I would struggle.
Dude, I'm too fat. This doesn't fit around me.
Fat
Buckle this. Wait.
Oh,
I got it. On YouTube. YouTube. Check out, Tony.
Go away. Not 5 minutes goes over. Look that up. I'm going to make it though. Oh yeah, chicken full now. Dude. Okay, we're flipping the bird over. Okay, no. Yeah, it's a lot of meat. Oh, the whole thing. The whole thing. Fucking chicken. Oh my. Oh, fuck. Too many. What? Bugs. It's just roasted. Bugs. Yeah. Yeah, stay away. Yeah, why do you
Did you upside down? Yes.
Yeah, bro. That's good. Come on. Oh, you need something.
Do belly check.
That's a start. I have flat belly. We started.
Yes.
We started with flat belly. Well, I did at least. That is
We started ourselves for this day.
You didn't. You ate this morning. I did.
It was a butter muffin.
I didn't eat anything this morning.
I talked about dinner last night.
The last thing I ate last night was BLT. It was at like 6 p.m. I didn't eat since. BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Well, you sound surprised. That's like it's roasted to boys.
No fucking
No way. Two guys, two birds. Is that what Tyler is?
I don't want that name.
Two guys, two birds. Two birds, one guy.
I'm a girl. Are you a girl?
Two guys, one judge.
Two birds, one judge.
Oh, that's a good one. Two birds, one judge. That didn't look close enough. What?
Two birds, one judge.
Two birds, one judge. It looks close to it. Yeah. Frank, I need a nail. Give me a nail, Frank. I'd say we're about 75 right now.
I love you.
I have a nail in the roof. Frank, nail.
No, this is your tips. You'll watch this.
Frank, give me a nail back. Hammer, I'm with.
I'm with.
I'm with. Caleb, no piece of chicken. You gotta pull in though. Caleb's helping me with my chicken. You know how to piece you. Yeah. Okay.
Nice. I want to do that. My father, you fried it.
No, you're further.
Well, you already fried it. I don't do it.
I like you.
Oh, fuck. What's a bad idea for me?
No, it's a good point.
I'm supposed to video.
No, I don't know.
Second video. Pasta.
Yeah, go watch it. Go back, boys. Go watch the video.
What now?
Hold on. That's just a 4 out there. Just a 4 out. No mic, show nothing. What time is it? I'm glad you guys good. You got 20
Yeah. A little over half an hour.
We actually don't play the word. No, I have like 40 games left. I'll put it on 5.
Finish your second talk. It's my favorite.
This cider's absolutely killing me.
It's after all.
Actually, we're calling 2 birds, 1 jug.
Two birds, one jug.
I'll put my back. 2 birds, 1 jug, my back.
Stop.
Oh my, you're almost down that side.
This is disgusting, dude.
Like both bars.
I think the chickens are mine.
Your idea.
Apple cider and fries is your idea.
Well, yeah.
I said the chicken and fries.
You got mac and cheese, but I got mac. And it's 15. 2 birds, 1 jug.
Oh, John. Okay, sorry.
Dude, I didn't draw that one.
Oh!
We did not draw that. That was
There was nothing that was drawn.
We
Oh,
didn't
that's what you said.
Well, it's
You're just watching these.
Dude, kill them. Ooh, this is strong. Anyway.
Bring my glass. What? What? What is that? Oh, no.
I'll eat it.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. I'm not eating that. Oh, never mind.
I can get it.
Oh, yeah. Watermelon. Franklin. Like chicken.
There's no way I'm not throwing up after this.
I'm not gonna throw up. I'm not gonna throw up my stomach because it makes an
I'm gonna have to call word.
You work tonight? You're so food. I took off work tonight.
Oh, yeah. You literally see me at work.
Sussex forward.
It is horrible. Who's your friend? Who's your friend? Okay, what's your name? What is
Oh, dude, go away. Dude, you should know. That was disgusting, dude.
Holy shit!
Dude, I'm not going
Yeah,
to
evacuate. Yeah, we gotta move this up.
Go to the bathroom.
I have to go.
Go to the bathroom.
Mike up on the toilet.
Oh my goodness.
Should I?
No. You have shit.
No. Well, later, yeah.
Dude, go away. Go away.
I guess I'm done. Are you sure? Yes.
Over there. No, you don't. He's right. Just come on. Go back.
For now.
Don't do that again. You gotta do it over there.
I'll do better. I'll do better.
Go back.
I'll do better.
Open the apartment.
Over there. Oh, I'm sorry for this. You said the time to, and I haven't even
Oh my god.
I think it's a bird. No way, he's having now.
Oh, I'm gonna take outside. Take flowers.
I ain't a bitch, Franklin. I ain't a bitch.
I'm not down now.
Okay. You just have to watch the rest.
No, that's not a bird.
You just have the rest. I called it. Try you want to after this?
No, no, you're not that Who are you?
I'm a, I'm something.
I would say I got through half the bird.
I think, dude, my stomach hurts.
I think this might have been a bad idea.
We got through like the same amount of bird.
I don't know. This looks like a lot less. Bottom.
I didn't dig out the bottom. Do you want to try the bottom?
Dude, you eat the butt meat. This little spot right here.
Oh my god. Oh, this is actually really tender.
Oh.
Take the other side.
No, like this piece right here.
I'm not gonna eat that little piece right there.
No, this piece right here.
Get your fucking finger out of my food.
I didn't even touch it. Tweak it for no reason. Yo, turn your phones down.
I can't eat anymore. I'm gonna throw up.
Mic'd up, throwing up. Should we do that? You can throw up. You can throw up. Oh,
I'm not puking. I'm not puking.
you literally just threw something up.
No.
That was green. It was green.
I spit the food out of my mouth, Jack. Oh. I'm not eating it.
You're done. You're done.
I'm done.
You're done.
If I eat any more slimy chicken,
So
I'm gonna puke.
does that mean?
Go away. Time for my 4th cup.
I'm gonna put that as like the starting clip of the video. Me just throwing up. Ultra clickbait.
It's not clickbait though.
It's not clickbait. I did genuinely feel like I was gonna puke though if I kept that food.
Alright, didn't you say like you never puke?
Yeah, I like don't puke.
Eat blobs, grow massive.
During the hot dog one, I didn't even puke. I didn't even come close to puking.
Me too.
How many hot dogs did you eat for that one?
10.
I ate 14.
You ate 12.
I didn't eat 12. I ate 14.
You ate 12.
I ate 12. I had
You ate
14.
12. Okay, here you go, Franklin.
Franklin, you gotta have some of it. Franklin, you're not on camera. You can't eat it.
Get
Gotta
on
be in
camera.
camera.
You gotta eat it on camera though.
Here.
You've already been on camera.
Why you just gonna
Grab it.
You gotta.
Dude, I think I'm tapping out.
Drink your cider, Tony.
It actually tastes good. That's like what's helping is good cider.
Good,
Like-
Franklin?
I think I could drink the entire gallon of apple cider.
It's so moist and cold.
It did get cold,
Oh, yeah.
but we've been eating it for 45 minutes, so that's to be expected.
Stop looking at me. Turn around. I'm gonna get this guy to throw up on you.
I'm not gonna puke on her.
Yes, you will.
I'm not puking on Aiden Kisher's sister. Aiden Kisher, her brother. You lost.
I might be done soon.
Dude, I can't eat anymore. We got through a lot of the bird.
That's like half.
That's like
Hey,
half the bird.
come
This
have some
is-
chicken.
This is our
Come have
foreign
some
exchange
chicken.
student Santiago.
No hablo inglés.
No hablo
Come eat some
inglés.
chicken.
Ilegal.
Eat some chicken.
Poor immigrant.
Eat some
no green
chicken.
card.
No, don't. Just eat some. Take some.
Eat the chicken.
Dude, where am I? Oh, here.
Just
We
grab it.
had 2 of those, and we ate one. Well, I finished. No, we didn't finish it, but I ate about half mine. I hit my protein for the day, Jack.
So did I.
I hit my protein.
I hope you did after you ate like half of a fucking chicken.
And then we had apple pies each one apple pie.
Dude, send me that fucking video. I wanna see
It's
that shit.
15 minutes
that
long.
might be bro.
Dude,
In camera.
I almost threw up like a minute ago. Jack, do you want to tell him how close I was to almost throwing up?
He literally did.
No.
This is the type of thing you guys do in the hour.
Want me to pour it? Want me to pour it?
Neck brace.
No,
Bend,
no,
bend
no,
your,
no,
bend,
no,
bend
no,
your
stop,
body.
stop,
Bend your
stop,
body.
stop.
Neck brace. Jugging apple cider.
You need help?
Why are there clumps? Does apple cider have clumps in it?
Okay, now.
Almost there. Almost there. Almost there.
It's probably just apple pieces. Oh what? Do you want me to like push it up a little? Did you get any?
Don't touch it. I drank a lot.
Oh. It didn't even look like he was almost in his mouth.
I didn't want to dump it all, and then it all just flows on.
Oh no, no more. Okay.
No, you gotta drink that.
No. Ugh.
That's got to be like the rest of it,
Yeah, that's all of it. Oh, dude.
right? Okay, I'm actually so full right now. How did you guys eat?
Ugh.
Oh my gosh.
Next time y'all gotta bring pots and stuff.
I cannot go up.
No, Mr.
No,
Z
Mr.
wouldn't
Z
let
wouldn't
us.
let us. Keep it on camera, Jack.
Oh, keep the jug in camera. Okay.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay. Well, Jack, I think we did 75% of the food. 80.
Yeah.
80%.
80 loose.
all that meat.
80%.
I need to take this fucking tool belt off.
We had little rug
Hey,
rats.
in camera.
In camera, in frame.
In frame, man.
Okay. Cool. I'm shaking, dude. So one serving of apple cider is your entire daily value of sugar.
Oh my god.
And there's 16 per container.
And I drank like half that.
I drank about half as well.
You did not drink about half.
I did about half. What are you talking about? Shut up. This is my 4th cup. What are you talking about, Buster?
As you, I don't know, something.
How many ounces are these?
I don't know if I can do this.
No, it's like half a cup.
I know, I
You're
already drank one though.
fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Holy fuck, this is a bet. We have 9 minutes, Jack. Oh my god. Gabe, on camera, Gabe.
On camera.
Gabe, take a sip.
Get
Come on,
in.
take a sip on camera. Maybe a little chug.
Chug it, Chug it, Gabe.
Chuck Gabe.
I don't
It doesn't matter, Gabe.
Wipe it, Gabe.
We're all family.
roll.
I don't think anybody here is mono. We're doing the calculation on how much sugar I drank. 16.
Well, what's the daily?
You did half.
What's the daily amount you're supposed
30.
to have?
It's like 30. You're not supposed to go
30
over
grams?
And this is 27 per serving. 16 times 27. And you drank half of it. You had 216 grams of sugar.
Are we done with the chicken? You were literally a raccoon, Franklin.
My estimate.
I'm Asian. We don't waste food.
I have 183 grams of sugar. Dude, we're gonna fucking die.
Especially broke it.
I'm gonna fucking explode.
So wet.
Oh,
Okay, we're
my
done
God,
with the
dude.
chicken.
Come on, dude.
I have no.
Apple
All right.
cider. Who's
Final
the
belly
info?
check. Final belly check.
Back.
Final belly check.
No. Suck it in. Suck it in for the video. It's max suck I got. You got more room. Okay.
Look at that. Look at that.
Okay. Dude, that's crazy. You're like Peter Griffin.
I'm so pasty. Oh my god.
Yeah, you are. I'd say we're checking out.
We're done.
Do we check?
We're done. All right, Franklin, Gabe, come say bye.
Okay. Say bye.
Logan, come say bye.
Roger.
No, Roger.
Screw Roger.
Screw that guy.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
We'll see you at Christmas.